Welcome to our exciting video, Best Drones You Should Buy in 2025. If you're looking to elevate your aerial photography, enhance your outdoor adventures, or simply explore the latest in drone technology, you've come to the right place. In this video, we'll take you through the top drones on the market, highlighting their features, capabilities, and what makes each one a must-have for 2025. So grab your notepad and get ready to discover the perfect flying companion for your needs. Don't forget to like this video, leave a comment with your favorite drone, and subscribe to our channel for more awesome content. Let's get started.
Number 5. The DJI Air3 is a remarkable drone that has redefined the standard for aerial photography and videography. After extensive testing in various environments, it's clear that this drone stands out for both hobbyists and professionals alike. One of the standout features of the Air3S is its impressive camera capabilities. Equipped with a 1-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 20MP stills and 5.4K video at 30 FPS, providing exceptional detail and clarity. Whether you're flying over breathtaking landscapes or bustling cityscapes, the image quality is simply outstanding. The drone's HDR capabilities enhance dynamic range, ensuring that both highlights and shadows are well represented in your shots. The flying experience is incredibly smooth thanks to the improved obstacle avoidance system. With sensors on all sides, the Air3S can navigate complex environments with ease, allowing you to focus on capturing the perfect shot without the constant worry of collisions. The intelligent flight modes, such as focus track and quick shots, make it easy to capture cinematic footage or stunning panoramas, even for those who may be new to drone flying. Battery life is another strong point. With a flight time of up to 31 minutes, you can spend more time in the air and less time worrying about recharging. This extended flight capability opens up more opportunities for creativity and exploration. The compact design of the Air3S also makes it highly portable.
Number 4. The DJI Mini4 Pro is a remarkable piece of technology that redefines what we can expect from a compact drone. With this combination of advanced features, exceptional flight performance, and user-friendly design, it stands out in the crowded drone market. First and foremost, the Mini4 Pro boasts an impressive camera system. Equipped with a 1.3-inch CMOS sensor, it captures stunning 4K video at 60 frames per second and photos at 48 megapixels. The low light performance is exceptional as well, allowing you to shoot in challenging lighting conditions without sacrificing quality. The improved HDR capabilities further enhance image detail, making your shots truly pop. Flight time is another area where the Mini4 Pro excels. With up to 34 minutes of flight time on the single charge, you can spend more time capturing breathtaking aerial footage and less time worrying about recharging. Additionally, the drone's upgraded obstacle avoidance system ensures a safer flying experience, allowing you to navigate through complex environments with confidence. One of the standout features of the Mini4 Pro is its intelligent flight modes. From Follow Me to Point of Interest, these modes allow for creative and dynamic filming options, making it easier to capture professional-looking shots. The intuitive DJI Fly app enhances the user experience, providing easy access to editing tools and flight telemetry. Despite its advanced features, the Mini4 Pro remains incredibly portable and lightweight, making it easy to carry on outdoor adventures.
Number 3. The DJI Flip is a game-changer in the realm of handheld gimbals, offering a perfect blend of advanced technology and user-friendly design. As content creators increasingly seek tools that enhance their storytelling without complicating the process, the DJI Flip stands out as an exceptional choice. One of the standout features of the DJI Flip is its impressive stabilization capabilities. Whether you're shooting dynamic action scenes or capturing smooth cinematic B-roll, the Flip ensures that your footage remains stable and professional-looking. This is particularly beneficial for vloggers and filmmakers who need to move quickly and capture moments on the go. The intuitive controls make it easy for users of all skill levels to operate.
With a simple setup process and an ergonomic grip, you can start filming within minutes. The smart tracking features are particularly noteworthy, allowing the gimbal to follow subject seamlessly, which is a huge advantage for solo creators. In addition to its functionality, the DJI Flip boasts a sleek and compact design, making it highly portable. It's light enough to carry on long hikes or trips without feeling cumbersome, yet robust enough to handle various shooting environments. Battery life is another strong point, providing ample shooting time to get through a full day of filming without needing frequent recharges. And with its compatibility with various cameras and smartphones, the DJI Flip is versatile enough to accommodate different shooting preferences.
Number 2. The HoverAir X1 Pro is a game changer in the world of personal transportation. After extensive testing, we can confidently say that this hoverboard delivers a thrilling ride combined with impressive technology that sets it apart from the competition. First and foremost, the design of the HoverAir X1 Pro is sleek and modern, making it not only functional, but also a stylish mode of transport. The LED lights enhance visibility, especially during evening rides, adding an extra layer of safety. One of the standout features is its powerful dual motors, which provide a smooth and responsive ride, effortlessly handling inclines and rough terrains. Whether you're zooming down a flat path or navigating through a park, the performance is consistent and reliable. We found the top speed to be exhilarating, perfect for those looking to get the most out of their riding experience. The battery life is another impressive aspect. With a range of up to 12 miles on a single charge, users can enjoy longer rides without the constant worry of recharging. The quick charging time is an added bonus, allowing you to get back on the road faster. Safety features have also been thoughtfully integrated into the HoverAir X1 Pro. The anti-slip foot pads provide excellent grip, while the built-in safety alarms alert you of any issues during your ride. We put it through various tests, and the stability and control were outstanding, even for novice riders.
Number 1. The DJI Avata 2 is a game-changer in the realm of drone technology, offering an impressive blend of features that cater to both novice pilots and seasoned enthusiasts alike. After extensive testing, it's clear that the Avata 2 stands out for its exceptional flight performance, advanced imaging capabilities, and user-friendly design. One of the most striking features of the Avata 2 is its incredible stability and maneuverability. With its advanced stabilization technology, it glides smoothly through the air, even in challenging conditions. Whether you're flying through tight spaces or capturing stunning aerial views, the Avata 2 responds beautifully, making it an ideal choice for both indoor and outdoor adventures. The camera quality is another highlight. With a remarkable resolution and enhanced low-light performance, the Avata 2 captures stunning 4K video and crisp images, ensuring that every moment is recorded with breathtaking clarity. The drone's intelligent shooting modes, such as active track and quick shots, make it easy to create cinematic quality footage without needing extensive editing skills. Safety features are abundant, including obstacle avoidance sensors and a reliable return-to-home function that provides peace of mind while flying. This makes it an excellent choice for those who may be new to piloting drones, reducing the risk of crashes and increasing the overall enjoyment of the flying experience. Additionally, the user interface is intuitive, with a straightforward app that allows for easy access to settings, flight modes, and real-time video feeds.